Hello, adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
And I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, what are we doing tonight?
We are going on a little fun date to Wick and Flame candle making.
I was going to ask you what Wick and Flame was, but you already said candle making. So
Yes.
Let's go adventuring.
The candle I'm going to make today, I think, will be a fruit plus floral. I don't know what that means yet, but I think I'm going to come up with a fruit and a flower that smell good together.
You know what I'm going to do?
What are you going to do?
I'm going to create a candle that is unique to me.
Perfect. It is time for our candle making appointment. So here we go. Ooh, smells good in here.
I'm filling out the waiver. You have to do this before you can make a candle, just in case, anything happens. After signing the waiver, the first thing you're gonna do is grab this paper. You are gonna fill out the top, then you go over to the scent wall. You're gonna jot down 5 to 10 favorite scents and put a star next to your favorite 3.
Let's see what it looks like. So it's just a wax pot that has the smell.
You're in the seasonal collection.
This is in the seasonal area. Maple nut pancake smells delicious. That's not what I'm going for in this candle. Ooh, that one smells really good. Dark rose. I'm gonna write that one down.
Ooh, Black Sea is good. Black Sea.
How many do you have so far?
I've already wrote down 4.
Oh. Ooh, that smells really good. This would probably be a good tropical flavor. I think I might do the 12 ounce, the top left. Very top left. I mean,
Danny's going with
the vintage jars are absolutely gorgeous.
that one up there.
Yes. So they have a 7 ounce jar option, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, and then a vintage jar. And then you can also add on glitter if you want. So there are options for your vessel, there are options for glitter, and then obviously tons of options for your scent.
I do think those antique ones on the top are pretty cool.
They are really pretty.
But I like the iridescent one. So after careful consideration, Danny has told me the 7 ounce is just too small.
It's gonna burn too fast.
So now I'm gonna go with a mystery one. I'm not even gonna tell you what it is until it's time to go, until it's time to cook.
I'm sticking with the one I already told you guys I'm getting.
Is that what we're doing? Is this cooking or science?
I would say this is somewhat science. We're mixing chemicals.
We're also using a shot glass
Okay, yeah.
and a spoon. So step 1 to this is to set your wick. You're gonna take this little disc here. You're gonna whoop, drop it in.
Okay.
Then this is where it gets real tricky.
Super tricky.
You're gonna take your wick. You're gonna take your wick threader. It's the word I came up with. You're gonna
Whoop. Okay.
Okay.
Make sure
Now-
it doesn't go away.
Now
You
remember.
said hold the top.
Remember, we have these 2 holes here. Okay?
Okay.
So I have to first peel, like so. Then you hold the top, and then you do the plop.
Bloop.
And then he said, hold this for a few seconds. We're holding for a few seconds. And then, boom, the wick threader comes off.
Look at you go.
Threader weather.
Threader weather.
We're gonna do the same thing. Peel off your little doohickey. Hold on to the wick. Find the hole. Boom. Hold it for a couple seconds.
Uh-oh. I just realized we gave away your new vessel.
That was the grand reveal.
Oh, the grand reveal. This is
Yeah.
one he chose.
I already said that.
Oh, I missed it.
Okay. Got my second
There you
wick.
go.
Moment of truth. Hey, and they're still in.
There you go. Now it's my turn. Oh, this is such a pretty jar.
What color is it?
I would say like a seafoam green. What color does it look like to you?
I'll just agree.
You'd probably say white. It probably looks white.
No.
Poor Sawyer.
From certain angles, it looks gray.
Oh boy. I mean, I guess, yeah.
But that was so quick.
I'm a professional now because I listened to the demonstration and then I watched you do it. Ta-da! Pretty cool. I don't think I pushed
What
this
are you
one.
doing? You're double tapping?
I didn't push this one down enough.
Don't wiggle it. What?
All right,
man, you're
and
stressing
then
me
now
out.
that guy comes out, and there we have it.
Boom.
Boom.
We're set.
I am trying pineapple sage and library to see if I like the smell. Can't tell.
You can't tell if you like the smell.
This one is just kind of muted, I think. Okay.
Yeah, you need a refresher. If you want to refresh, you switch to coffee beans. Refresh real quick.
Okay, what did she say to do with 3?
Insert 1 in each nostril.
No.
Ooh. Smells pretty good.
Oh.
It's because when you mix cactus and jade with the black sea, you get cactus jack. Oh, it's the black sea. The black sea is like, that's it.
That's the one. You like all 3 of those together?
I do.
All right.
I do.
That's the winners then.
Ooh, coffee.
Mm-hmm.
This right here is called a jigger. So we're gonna fill the thingamajigger with the smells.
Jigger.
Your favorite scent out of the scents you're gonna use, you put into the jigger first. So I'm gonna use Black Sea because Black Sea, it's legit. Black Sea. What? Oh. Okay, that was a bigger drop than I was expecting.
This might take a while.
Someone saved the science.
Yes.
So you do that, then you tea time. So they said to fill it as close to the top as you want if you want more scent. Mine's like at the top.
Can I
What's-
see what high tide smells like? I feel like I need to add a little something to it.
You didn't have any coffee today?
No.
Tragic. I didn't either, you know why?
Because you didn't make any.
I know.
Sawyer is responsible for making our coffee. He didn't do it.
You made the coffee yesterday.
What? I did?
Yes.
Oh,
But I'm in
I
charge
don't
of it
remember.
now, I guess.
I don't remember. So we're about to mix our oil into our
It's gonna be
wax.
very hot. You have to hold the handle. Take your spoon.
I prefer
1 minute straight. Can you do that for 1 straight minute?
maybe. Here we go.
And now we're just dumping it.
Jump it in. Be careful of the splatter, and then mix continuously.
Got it.
I will turn
Got
it so
it.
that I have my dominant hand here. Oh boy.
Okay, 1 minute. It
Yes.
is your time to shine.
Here we go.
Does it matter what speed we mix it at? Okay, just as long as it moves.
And then we do have glitter options if you're interested in glitter.
Smells like a pirate ship library.
That's my favorite kind of library.
My favorite kind of library.
I used to always get books from the pirate ship library.
We can make a pirate ship library.
We could make a library of pirate ships.
Ah, I said it smells like a pirate ship library. Our girl that is helping us today is awesome.
10 out of 10 recommend. How's your stirring going?
I think great. I'm going the other direction.
Well, good thing we're just coming out of winter, so we had a lot of practice stirring soup. That's what we were preparing
Yeah.
for all winter long.
Yeah.
Stir soup so you can do this.
Stirring soup.
There's so many smells.
Ten more seconds and you're good.
All right.
Did you stir any in the opposite direction?
Yes.
Oh. 10 more seconds. Is your hand getting tired?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm hanging in there.
Good.
All right. She said we're good.
Put it on your plate, and then now we're gonna pour it into your candle vessel.
Okay. I'm gonna turn it this way.
All right.
Okay. So, do we have to hold these?
You can just put them in, and then we do have centering sticks.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about it.
We're just going for it.
They could do better on their naming scheme. Maybe we'll take it over.
Would you look at that?
Would you look
No, right?
at that?
It's like you guys are professionals.
I wouldn't say that. This is pretty fun, though.
All right, it's time to name our candles. So,
I went with Pirate Ship Library because that's kind of the smell. I have a library. Hold up. I did library, cactus and jade, and
You did what?
pineapple sage. Not cactus jack. Cactus and jade. And then I did high tide and black sea. I did a lot.
I did Pirate's Adventure because this is McPeek Adventure, so it's only right that this is a pirate adventure.
Wow.
Oh, maybe it should be Pirate Adventures. Let me add an S real quick
Wow. I think when we did candle making before, you named
to that. I lied. It's Pirates Adventures. Everything's plural over here. Lots of S's. Candles, pirates, adventures,
Sawyer's.
yeah, sedanis, candles,
Zanny's just candles.
yeah, and scents.
Since
Oh, it could have been. It just makes pirate sense.
oh, okay, we're gonna come back and you're gonna have to
Oh
name
my
another candle.
gosh! I'm gonna have to coin a
You
new
would be
phrase.
a great candle namer.
I'm an idea factory. That's why.
He has 10 different names for his candle so far, but he's settled with
Well,
one.
right now it's Pirates Adventures. It was gonna be Pirate Adventure, but it's multiple adventures in one candle.
Since we're not Pirate Library.
No, that was yours.
That
Pirate
is
Ship
mine.
Library.
That is mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just because, some pirates like to sit and read instead of steal gold. I don't know.
Yeah, their gold is in their books.
We can't all be Johnny Depp. Some of us have to read.
We got Pirates Adventures.
And Pirate Ship Library. I am satisfied with my candle choices. So after you make your candles, you have up to 60 days to pick them up, and they do call to remind you when to pick them up. It takes 2 hours to cure them. So if you're in the area, you can come get it, but they hold it for 60 days. If you do not pick up your candle in 60 days, they put them down here for sale as a mystery candle. And I thought that was pretty fun.
Well, it's been a couple days, so we are back down here at Wick Flame picking up our cured candles. Danny's so excited.
I'm so excited to see how it turned out.
I think they're going to be awesome.
I think so too.
And they're going to smell so good.
Yes.
Mine was Pirates Adventures. What was yours?
Mine was Pirate Ship Library.
Pirate Ship Library. Do you think pirates read books?
I don't think so.
Well, here pirates did, right?
Sure, yes.
All right. This concludes our adventure to Wick Flame.
We got our candles, guys. I can't wait to get home and look at them and smell them and maybe start burning one. But if you guys enjoy this video and want to see more of our adventures around Tulsa, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
We'll see you on our next adventure!